Welcome back to the video, guys. In this video we're going to learn how to draw sea vehicles such as a ship, cruise ship, submarine, a hoverboard, jet ski, speedboat, and even a three sailboat. So first we're going to create the sailboat. We're going to create the water and then the shape of the ship. Give it a little bit detail and don't forget the pole for the sail, and then we're going to draw the sail in triangular shape. And the next one, we're going to create a cruise ship. We're going to start with the body of the ship, the water, and then the deck, and then the top deck, and also give details on the windows and the ship line. Next one, we're going to make a speedboat, basically similar to the shape of a cruise ship, but we have the different deck. And we have the window for the windbreaker, and then speedboat has a motor just right behind the boat. And I'm going to also draw the person who drive it, like it's waving. And then the next one, we're going to create a submarine. That's why I create the surface of the water on top, and then I'm going to create a shape like an oval, and then give the detail at the back, the wings, the monoculars, and also other details. Next one, we're going to create a hoverboard. Hoverboard can go on land and even on top of the water. So first we're going to create the oval, the deck, and then of course the propeller for the machine to run, and here we go. And the next one, we're going to create a smaller boat. It's a jet ski. So it's gonna look like this with the handle, and then I'm going to give the person who ride the jet ski on top, and we're going to give a little detail, and there you go. For the next one, we're going to create a bigger boat, an old ship. It's a three sailboat. First, I'm going to create the body of the boat like this, and then give a little detail, and then we're going to draw the sail first because the pole is going to go behind the sail, and the next sail, and also the one behind, and we give the detail, some details for the body of the ship, like the deck of the captain and also the windows. So here we are, guys. We know how to draw sea vehicles now. I hope you guys can imitate what I do and even color them and do it with more details. I'm sure you guys can be more creative than the one that I made here today. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.